and I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is gonna be a chit chat get ready with me because I've been gone for like a little minute, just a little bit. Today I'm gonna explain, and I'm also gonna be doing like a mini review of this hair that I have right now. And obviously I already washed my face and moisturized and everything. I'm gonna be looking at my Fenty mirror just because like I need to be able to see closer. You guys understand? Yeah. Basically, this video I'm supposed to be like explaining what's going on, my little life update, if y'all care. Oh wow. So basically, I was like on a little roll with my videos, you know. I tried to be consistent and I was for like a month. And then my phone storage was like, nope sis. I was like, wow. So I'm like, nah, it's all good. I'll just get some more storage, you know? And I'm gonna get these videos up because this is what I'm about to do. Like, I'm gonna do it. I got Google photo storage because I was saying I could just delete everything off my camera roll and put all my pictures on the Google, like the storage or whatever, their cloud, their version of a cloud. I don't know what I'm saying. If you know, you know. So yeah, that's what I was gonna do. And I bought the storage, but to delete everything off my phone was so hard. I did not want to part. And that sounds crazy, but pictures are so sentimental to me. I didn't want to part with them. Outline the brows, y'all know the drill. But anyways, yeah, that's my first excuse, guys. I'm sorry. My phone storage died and I didn't know what I was doing. And on top of that, actually trying to stay consistent with YouTube is harder than I thought. I don't know why I thought it would be easy, but it's like I actually have to record. That's weird. I do this for fun, but it's still like I want to be consistent, you know what I mean? Because if I say I'm gonna do something, like I need to do it. It's teaching me self-discipline for myself, if anything, at the least, you know. Right now, procrastinating has been a big thing for me. I'll still get stuff done, but like I'll just procrastinate to the absolute last minute. And I don't know why. You guys know what I mean? It's like I will really, after I record a video, I'll be like, oh my gosh, like yes, that was so fun. Like why did I procrastinate? But that's just what it was. And that's one thing that I have to work on. Just, you know, not procrastinating. Gotta get stuff done. But anyways, like I was saying, just like, you know, trying to like actually do this and make content for real, I have to take myself seriously. I'm getting this on my scar. And this is in the color 420. This is one of my new favorite foundations. I was always scared to use dewy because after a while my skin starts to get really oily. But whenever I use this peach mattifying primer underneath and then go in with my dewy foundation, it doesn't make me look greasy. It just does, you know, what it says, it's dewy. Now I'm concealing with my L'Oreal like I normally do. It's in the color 415 Honey. This is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Like I was saying before, you know, like self-discipline is definitely something that I'm working on this year. And it actually came up on my vision board twice by complete accident. I didn't even mean to put it twice, but it popped up twice. So I took that as a sign and I was like, okay, I'm gonna leave it because that's obviously something that I need to work on this year. Universe, I am listening. I am listening, universe. I'm gonna use the Luscious by Lynn powder to set my eye. But with all of that being said about discipline, I've also been trying to get my life together. I'm proud of myself, to say the least. I'm also going over a little bit of spots. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 35. Just to go along with what I was saying about self-discipline too, I just want to be more independent and stuff, so I went out and I got my first job. Your girl has her first job. Oh, and right now I'm concealing with LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. Oh my god, no. I didn't want to use Fawn. I wanted to use Toffee. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna use Toffee. Hold on. I've gotten my first job and I'm really happy because I was searching for a job for like the whole month. I'm just happy because I feel like I'm getting closer to my goals, because I have no problem at all working at other jobs. Oh, I look so crazy right now talking with the concealer. Let me blend it first. I have no problem working somewhere else and getting like a part-time job or whatever I have to do in order to fund my dreams so I can work on what I want to do. You know what I mean? Like, I'll definitely work for my money so that way I can invest in myself, and that's the biggest thing that I always talk about. If you really believe in yourself, you will. Beauty Supply blush, don't sleep on it. I can't find my other contour brush and it's making me so mad right now. This one's getting the job done though. Bring back some juice to my skin with this dewy NYX setting spray. I'm going to set my eyebrows with this Maybelline Brow Drama. I promise I would love to get more creative, but like doing eye makeup is harder for me since I'm dark, and I'm just like, do I have the patience? Do I really? I'm not a makeup girl. Try to spice it up a little bit, feel me? Right now I'm gonna give myself some lashes, and I'm using these Ardell Foam Inks. I've really been trying to get my stuff together, and with that being said, my Level Up series videos are still going to be coming, but it's like, I'm also the student. Like I said in the original video for it, it's not even like me telling people what to do or like telling y'all what you should do. It's me sharing my experience, my genuine experience, because I know that somebody else out there could be doing or going through the same thing. Every day I'm growing and learning. I'm still a student, always a student. I'm putting the glue on my lashes right now, and that's just where I'm at right now, and it feels good because I'm not, you know, rushing anything. I'm just listening to myself and what I need to do next. It's basically where I'm at right now and where I've been in my life. These foamings, I'm not mad. Now I'm gonna highlight with my Kiss by JK Cosmetics highlight. This is what it looks like. You guys can find her on Instagram. I'm always shouting her out because she's a small business and I'm all about supporting small businesses. I'm just tapping the cap to get some of this out. Now that the makeup is basically done, I'm gonna take off my scarf. I'm gonna straighten this frontal for y'all so you can see everything. I'm gonna leave the details in the description. Okay, so with my scarf off, this is how it looks right now. I got a bob. Check that out in the description as well. This hair is from cranberryhair.com. And I got the 12-inch Brazilian straight, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's the Brazilian. And yeah, the texture of the hair is really good. And my storage is playing games with me, like I was saying earlier. So if you guys want a detailed video on how I maintain a frontal, then you can request it and I'll definitely get that out too. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like this. This is gonna be the end of the video. I'm probably gonna insert some clips of the hair just because you guys didn't really see it. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.